Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling how to use Mastercard on Venmo. If you're looking to link your Mastercard for quick payments, splits, or sending money to friends, this guide is perfect for you. It's straightforward, secure, and can save you time in your daily transactions. First off, make sure you have the Venmo app installed on your phone and that you're logged in. If you're new to Venmo, downloading it is free and takes just a minute. Head to your App Store now if needed. Step 1. Open the Venmo app and tap on your profile icon, usually in the top corner. This will take you to your account settings. Step 2. Scroll down and find the Payment Methods section. It's where you'll manage your linked cards and banks. Step 3. Hit Add a bank or card, and select Card from the options. Now, enter your Mastercard details carefully. That includes the card number, expiration date, and the 3-digit CVV code on the back. Step 4. Venmo might prompt you to verify your card. This often involves a small temporary charge or a code sent via text or email. Once verified, your Mastercard will be ready to use. Now, for the fun part, making a payment. Search for a friend or contact in Venmo, enter the amount, and choose your Mastercard as the funding source. It's that simple. A quick tip. Some banks have restrictions on credit card use for certain transactions, so if you encounter any errors, double-check with your card issuer. Also, be aware that Venmo might charge a small fee for credit card payments, so keep an eye on that. And there you have it. You're all set to use your Mastercard on Venmo. This method is great for earning rewards on your everyday spends. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.